How you doing today? I have a really interesting story for you right now. Get the headline. Super rich California couple spends $250,000 on childcare, including baby chefs. In other words, these parents say, can't be bothered teaching my child how to ride a bicycle, can't be bothered preparing formula for the little ones, can't be bothered bathing the child, too much time consumption, too much of all of that. I want to be there for quality time. If those aren't considered quality time, please tell me, audience, what is? When you work with your child and you are teaching the child how to ride a two-wheeler or how to ride a three-wheeler, you don't consider that quality time? Okay, let me tell you what happened to me. I was dating a guy and he was bragging, he had some bucks, and he was bragging that when he was married, when the diapers needed to be changed, he said, ugh, I'm not doing that. He would have to babysit for his own children, own flesh and blood. And he would hire a babysitter to change the diapers because he couldn't. This was above him. That was enough for me to say adios. Because if he couldn't care enough about his own flesh and blood, how is he going to care about a woman? See, that's how important it is for you guys and you gals who are out there dating. You have to find out about the person's history. Find out about the person's marriage, divorce, how they met, why they broke up, all the things that people tend not to ask about. But if you don't, you will not see the patterns that the person who might be a potential mate for you is all about. If that person can't take care of his own child, how's he going to take care of you? Therefore, these parents, $250,000 thrown out for other things that they feel are ancillary to child rearing. Whereas the child may grow up one day and remember, wow, I remember when dad worked with me on trying to ride a two-wheeler bike. I fell off, I got scraped. Dad was there to hold me and hug me. Don't you know how valuable this is? Just because somebody has money doesn't mean that that person is parenting in a decent, productive way. $250,000 because you don't feel like creating the kinds of food that your child may have an allergy for and to circumvent that problem. $250,000 a year to have the child chauffeured around from one place to another. Nah, you can't be bothered. And you think that going home, oh, they also listed um, reading the child a bedtime story. No, that's too much for these rich parents. That is bonding. And these parents, I'm afraid, have a lot to learn about how to parent. And that's my Gildagram for today.